Hello, my name is Victor Reyes. I'm at Benito Juarez Community Academy in Chicago, Illinois, and I'm reading a passage from Bone by Jeff Smith. This book has been banned in states all over the U.S., but mainly in New Jersey and New Mexico, because it involves violence throughout the whole series and it also shows signs of racism. I believe this book should be available for people to read because of the great artwork it has and its characters, both heroic and foolish. Yo, Phone Bone, Smiley Bone. Yay, my little pal is safe. Oh my gosh, I was so worried. Oh heck, I can take care of myself. I'm big, but you're small, and you didn't have anybody to look after you. Hold me out so I can take a look at you. Do I look good? You look good, man.